Hi, I'm Nancy Quinn. You know, since I've started working with my baking videos, I've had a lot of time to dig through some of my recipes, and I had a really fun idea that I wanted to share with you today. Let's take a look at it. This is my book that I use for all my dessert recipes. So, it's not a real elegant solution, and I found that over time, instead of putting them into the binder, I just shove them in or put them into the pockets. And if I really needed to find that apple fritter recipe, it wasn't going to happen anytime soon. But there is a more elegant solution, and it's really pretty fun. A lot of you know about scrapbooking, so why not use that same idea for your recipes? I found these binders at the store. This one I'm going to use for baking. This one I'll be using for cooking. The plastic sleeves are readily available too. You can even find them in the office area of the store. And there's so many beautiful kinds of papers to choose from. Take a look at all these colors. There's so many options. I just had some colored pens that I used as well. And I printed the recipe onto this paper here. And then that's when the fun began. It says, "Welcome to the Wild West." It has the name of our homestead, Cimarron, and when we moved here and established it in 2007. So it's a nice idea to have some history along and some notes in there that you can pass on with your heirloom recipes to your family. I printed them out. I decorated them onto the pages. Here's one for scones, and that's going to be a video in the future too, I promise. Here's another one for the hot chocolate mix. I made a video of this, and if you haven't seen it yet, I certainly hope that you do. So I just cut out some cute little things and decorated them with the pens. So you get the idea. All of you are very creative, and I know that you can do this kind of thing. But it's a fun idea, and when I do decide to finish these through the years, and it probably will take me that long, it'll be something nice that I can hand down to my daughters. So if you want to see more videos about living in the Wild West, then feel welcome to join us. All the links are below, and I hope you give this idea a try. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.